Hello. So, fourth CW session of the day. Off we go. doke. Hey, not bad. 2 errors. Nice. Okie doke. So yeah, that's it. This plaster on my pointer finger is still making me sort of attracting my attention, right? Diverting from what I'm supposed to focus on, which is copying CW. Um, yeah, it should go in a couple of days, so it should be good. This week I'll be finishing my this the week-long run of the second lesson of Koch Method, and then I'll be moving to the third lesson. Uh, where what what letter comes next? Oh, R. What does it sound like? Okay, so the opposite of K, right? So not da di da, but di da di da di da di. Okay, you know, at least now I won't have to, because all the using the standard uh, uh, QWERTY keyboard and the standard way of typing, with 10 fingers. I'm sort of, typing all the two of the letters that were covered in lesson 2 with my pointer finger of right hand, right? So U and M, and then K is right next to it. They're sort of all crammed together, quite close to one another. And then at least uh, right now I'll have R to operate with, the pointer finger of my left hand. So that'll be slightly easier than say adding J on top of it, right? Which I would have also have to operate with my pointer finger of the right hand. Right, we'll see how it goes. I'm sure I'll do loads more errors, but that's how it goes. So yeah, that's it for today. Won't be doing any more studying or learning or practice today. Thank you for your attention, and I see you next time.